Shalom, everyone. Welcome to another episode with Bakaleb Consulting. I am going to give you the secret to success in 2025, the business growth strategies that will work here in 2025, 2026, and beyond. Let's get started. Yay! Business growth strategies. Here we go. As always, we start off with a scripture because we go by Yahweh biblical principles, and it's Deuteronomy 8:18 for today, which says, "Thou shalt remember the Lord Yahweh thy God, for it is He that giveth thee power to get wealth." He gives you the power to get wealth. It didn't say He give you the money; He give you the power. So connect to Yahweh and get the power. Growth is not random; it is authorized. Strategy is simply stewardship. Leveraging technology, automation, and CRM. 2025 growth requires using tools that multiply your efforts. You gotta automate stuff. Like, for example, these videos are done and they're scheduled. So you have automation, you have CRM systems, AI driven follow up, and systems that track customer behavior. That's how you want to leverage technology to make your business grow and to make it easier for you. Growth in 2025 flows from intentional strategy rather than chance. You have to be intentional with your business. So it's using technology as a force multiplier, especially automation, AI driven tools, CRM systems, and you also want to track your customer behavior with precision. What's the trends that your customer wants? Which product they like more? Or if it's service, what part of your service do they gravitate more to? These tools help your business respond faster, serve smarter, and eliminate repetitive work so teams can focus on high value tasks. You have to have everything automated and you have to track it. If you're not tracking it, you are losing money and you will lose customers. Technology will increase your diligence. Tools don't replace excellence, they help amplify you. So it's not saying, oh, well, if I use a calculator, it's taking away my excellence. No, it's not. It's amplifying you, it's helping you get to the results, the answer faster. So using technology is not worldly, it's the modern version of sharpening your axe. Okay, let's go. Customer experience is the heartbeat of any business. That's how you have sustainable growth. A lot of times people focusing on generating new customers and then disregard their old customers. And I've been in customer service industry for years, customer service management, call center development, and I always hear a customer says, why do they have specials for new customers and nothing for their customers who's been with them long? See what I mean? Those companies have it backwards, and then you have to teach them, like, you're focusing on generating new customers, but what about the old ones that you have? The customers you already have are your lifeblood of your business. So you have to focus on keeping them happy. So you want personal engagement, you want to follow up with them, and you want stuff tailored to your customer's journey. You want to show them that as they have been loyal to you, you are loyal to them. And that's what a lot of companies miss. They want their customer to be loyal, but they're not showing loyalty to the customers they already have. Okay? So remember that. Next, enhancing customer experience and retention. Modern strategy: retention creates stability. Personalized communication, tailored offers, and consistent follow ups build long term income. Customer centered service is biblical. When you care, people stay. As a customer, if you don't care about me, I will not stay. I don't have to give you my money. I really don't. I can't tell you how many places I've gone into and walked out of. Our customers of companies I've done business with, and as soon as they switch up and start acting like, oh, you need me, we don't need you, I just leave them. Oh, I have no problem terminating contracts. I have no problem saying, okay, well, I'm showing you loyalty and giving you my money and you're not loyal to me, I'm out. There is nothing wrong with that because that's what companies are missing. Portfolio diversification. You have to diversify your portfolio, diversify your products and service. This is going to create resilience. And if you don't know what resilience is, you can contact batkalebconsultant at gmail.com or consultant at batkalebconsultant.com and we can help you. See, when one stream of your income slows down, the others continue to flow. You want to diversify. For example, for the consulting company, we not just work with business, we work with individuals, we work with entrepreneurs, we work with on all different aspects. And you have to expand geographically. Like, for example, we have customers internationally in different countries, so you have to cater your brand to new markets. That's called like strategic partnership. And you find people that shared your value and your opportunities. So, for example, we can communicate with companies overseas and have partnership with them because they share the same value, they share the same ideas, and blend together. Businesses thrive with strong people. And for that, you have to invest in your employees, employee development, leadership, training, and you have to have a supportive culture that transform your team from workers into ambassadors for your company, ambassadors for your product, ambassadors for your service. Don't rely on one product. Add complementary service. Create digital tools, courses, consulting offers, subscription models. Diversification is not greed, it's protection. Again, diversification is not greed, it's protection. You have to diversify. Just like in having stocks. I don't just only own oil stocks. We have to do gold, silver, oil, wheat, so forth. Diversify. So your company, you have to diversify. And of course, think about expanding geographically. I have scriptures for all of these, but no, I did not input them in here because a lot of times people take the scriptures and go and do, their own things that is not relevant to this. It's some things that we have seen, but don't worry about it. This is for you. Expand into new cities, states, or nations. Utilize online platforms to reach global customers. And that's going to enlarge your impact and enlarge your reach. Yes, think internationally. And again, strategic partnership. You have to collaborate with aligned businesses, organizations, influencers, or community groups. Growth multiplies your mission. Your growth is going to multiply when your mission align with someone else. You multiply. That's expanding. Partnerships accelerate your progress. You want to grow fast? Partner up. And of course, always invest in your employees, invest in your leadership development team. I can't tell you how many companies we have gone in and the managers are miserable or their employees are miserable. No, you don't do that. Strong team builds strong companies. Train employees, develop leaders, promote internally, and you'll see how much people will do for you. Create a culture of excellence. When people grow, the business grows. And leaders have to be empathetic, and leaders have to understand that every good leader must first be a good follower. They need to follow the rules as well. So if you're a leader, you need to make sure your team is strong, and you have to be the leader. All right. Praise Yahweh. These are the growth strategies. And tips and tricks to keep you wealthy, to keep your business growing. Anything else, bacalipconsulting@gmail.com. Like, share, and subscribe for more. Leave a comment. Tell me what part of the video you like. Also, tell me what part of this video you didn't like, and comment and let me know what in this video did you find interesting that you can apply to yourself. Praise Yahweh. Shalom.